Cute trolley jitters bow. Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show the unboxing and assembly of this IKEA trolley jitters bow. So let's see what is inside. There's one. Let me take out everything first. So one, two, three. So there are three trays. There are some more items here in the box. So this is the handle for the trolley, and these are the connector rods which will be joining the trays, 4 of them. These are another set of connectors, and these are, I think, 4 screws. Yeah, these are 2 caps for giving a neat finish to the top tray, and there are 4 caster wheels, 2 packets. So along with these parts, so this is the manual, and this is how the trolley is going to look. Earlier, all these accessories and parts used to come in plastic covers. Now they are shifted to paper. It's a very good thing. So as per the manual, all you need is a screwdriver with this head, which I already have here with me. And one person is enough to do this trolley. It's going to be a simple assembly. There are only 8 steps. So you can see, as per the illustration, the top tray is of least height. The middle tray is of medium height, and so the bottom tray is bigger as well as taller. So it's more in height and diameter. So for the first step, we need this thin shelf, that is a top shelf. On this top shelf, we have to fix these 2 caps. We have to fix it in a place where there are grooves. Based on this design, you can fit them only here and not here. So we have to fix it here as per the design, so that they become flush with the design. So for the second step, we have to fix the connectors below the position where the caps have been fit, and for that we need smaller connectors and not the bigger one. We have got 4 big and 4 small. So I'll be taking the 2 small first for these 2. And if you see, the top portion has got thread and one portion has got the plain portion. So the thread part will go underneath the cap portion. Turn it such that it gets locked. Similarly on the other side, the thread portion. You should see that this doesn't get disturbed. So for the third step, I need this handle. So I will be fixing the handle in the other 2, connecting the other 2 points. So now we have just fixed the handle, and the fourth step involves fixing of the other 2 connectors, by which the handle will get locked. So the same way as we fix the first 2, just turn it clockwise and it is locked. Similarly, on the other side, I just hold it here and then. So we have completed 4 steps in which we have finished the fixing the connectors to the first shelf and the handle. So for the 5th step, we need the middle shelf, which will go below these connectors. So for the 6th step, again we use these 4 connectors, the longer ones, below the second shelf. So just like we did here, the threading part will go in the, so this is how the top connector and the bottom connector gets joined, and the trays are also connected. Very simple to do. Being plastic, it is easier to tighten as well. There's no effort needed. Only thing is, you don't have to go very tight till the end, just the correct amount of turning. So the 7th is a repeat of step 5, That is, I have to use this connector to connect with the bottom shelf. So for the 8th step, we need this screws or the fasteners. 4 of them we have, which has to be fixed here. Yeah, just rotate it clockwise and I'll fix everything first and then use the screwdriver. So this is where the need of screwdriver comes. It's better to hold one hand here and push this inside so that it's not loose here. So now I'll use a screwdriver to tighten these. Remember, these are plastic screws and not metal screws. So we have to tighten it carefully and not too much. Similarly, all other screws. So the final step is fitting these wheels. So it is just to be pressed inside. It is the pressing type and it locks. You will hear the click sound. Wow. Not a single metal part in this assembly. It was really fun doing this. So recently bought this Jutter's bow trolley from IKEA and I just saw the assembly. It is grey green color, but actually it looks like olive green. You can see that I am lifting it very easily. It is just 1.5 kgs, but yet it is very sturdy, totally plastic, but it is quite strong. And as you can see, there are 3 shelves and each shelf can hold 4 kgs individually, and totally it can withstand maximum 14 kgs. And there are wheels, so it can be easily moved around. And because it is plastic, it can be kept in any part of the household or even outdoors. And the height is 86 centimeters and the diameter is 36 centimeters. The price is just 999. Cute trolley, Jutter's bow. This is totally made of recycled plastic and very good plastic. There is no metal part at all. It's very ideal for the bathroom because there's no fear of any part getting rusted or anything, as well as any outdoor usage. You can keep in the balcony or if you have an independent house in the garden, and of course anywhere inside the house. One important thing I forgot to tell is that it is made in India. So because it is totally plastic and lightweight and easily maneuverable, you have to be gentle with it. That is my observation. But actually, for the price, this is really worth it. Especially, I think this must be the cheapest trolley of this size and capacity in IKEA, I think. And I think there is only one color of this trolley available. It was fun assembling this cute little trolley Jutter's bow. I hope you also enjoyed watching the assembly. I posted more than 40 assembly videos of IKEA products in my channel. You can check them out in the playlist section, and I'll also be providing link of the same in the description. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. I would like to know where you're watching the video from, and let me know if you have liked it and you have benefited from the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye from Bhuvana.